Hi children, welcome back to grade 3 EVS class. Our lesson is rocks and soil. Lesson 3, rocks and soil. In the last class, you studied about rocks, right? You learned how rocks are forming. Now, you are going to study how soil is forming from this rocks. Okay? Soil. You sow soil in your life, right? But do you know how the soil is forming? Okay, I'll tell you. The action of sunlight, water and wind and changes in weather broke the rocks into smaller and smaller pieces called soil. So, the action of sunlight, water and wind and changes in weather broke the rocks into smaller and smaller pieces called soil. I'll show you a small video which helps you to understand how the soil is forming from the rocks. Watch it. You all watched the video, right? Okay. Did you understood how the soil is forming from the rocks? So, the soil is made up of two parts. The soil is made up of two parts. Tiny parts of rocks. First one is tiny parts of rocks and rooted plants and animals. Okay. So, this rooted plants and animals are called humus. These rooted plants and animals are called humus. So I told our soil is made up of two parts. One part is tiny parts of rocks and the second part is humus. So the humus you can see on the top of the soil. Humus is dark brown or black in color. It helps to form pores in the soil. It keeps the soil soft and loose. Humus also provides the nutrients used by plants. So, these are the peculiarities of humus. Children, did you ever notice the soil of different parts? Okay, all the soil are same? No, right? Soils collected from different places have different colors. Why it is like that? Because they are different as they are made from different rocks. The soils that collecting from different places are different because they are made from different rocks. Understood? So, today you studied about soil, how the soil is forming from the rocks. Then you understood the soil is made up of two parts, tiny parts of rocks and rooted plants and animals. Then we discussed that the soil which is collecting from different parts have different colors. Okay, this is all what we learned today. Study well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.